Welcome to an introduction to VoIP Drupal, an exciting suite of modules that enables interactivity with your website and a regular telephone. This introduction will cover the suite of modules and what you can do with them to enable your Drupal website to talk to the world. What is VoIP Drupal? It's a suite of modules that enable Drupal websites to interact with regular phones. There are approximately 830 million smartphone users and 5.6 billion regular telephone users worldwide. Why build apps that only work with smartphones? Widen your audience and engage the world. How does it work? A phone user talks to your VoIP provider, which talks to your Drupal website and sends information to the web user. The information can be stored on your site in either audio files or text files. And VoIP Drupal suite of modules interacts with your other Drupal modules such as notifications, actions, triggers, and rules. Your shopping cart can communicate with your clients and let them know when their order is ready to be shipped. Why keep trying to get people to fill out a form on your website? You can register people using their caller ID information. No one wants to fill out a bunch of forms, but everyone wants to enter a contest. Potential applications. They're varied and many. Call centers, group communications, language training, audio tours. We have a site here that is built in Drupal, and this is an audio tour of a town near Boston. VoIP Drupal is integrated here with a map. When you click on a map, you can hear pre-recorded information about that location on the map. This information was called into the Drupal site on a regular telephone. These are the VoIP Drupal modules. The ones in the bottom are the core modules, the bottom orange rectangle. When you install VoIP Drupal, these modules will be installed. When you enable them, you will have core functionality immediately available on your site. It works right out of the box, no programming necessary. You'll have the basic scripting functionality to answer phones, have a conference call, and people can leave messages for each other or post messages on your website. The VoIP Drupal Sandbox. This is where you can play with the latest modules released by the VoIP Drupal team. No need to sign up or register. You just log in with the demo account, which is listed right on the front page, and then you can play with the VoIP Drupal scripts. You can create a script, you can leave a message, and you can call back and listen to your own script that you created right then. This is the visual VoIP Drupal workspace, which is very exciting. It's a visual editor. Drag and drop script elements into the workspace and arrange them to create scripts for user interaction or for rerouting calls. This is very advanced and no programming is required for this. A novice can use it. You can drag scripts from over in the control area into the workspace. And you'll notice you can create more than one script at a time. So when you have scripts interacting with each other, you'll be easily able to see them. Ways to get involved. You can join groups.drupal.org, VoIP Drupal. You can go to the sandbox, play with the scripts, create some scripts. Create new modules if you're a programmer that work with VoIP Drupal. You can contribute code and documentation. or organize meetups in your area. Get together with others and find out what they're doing with VoIP Drupal. Stay tuned to the groups page for any future announcements of webinars, screencasts that we'll be releasing. And remember, every Wednesday we have office hours at 12 noon in the IRC chat room. You can find the links to the chat room and other resources on the VoIP Drupal group site or on the sandbox. My name is Mickey. Thank you for listening to my introduction to VoIP Drupal, a wonderful suite of modules. I am from Drupal Connection, connecting the world with Drupal and connecting Drupal with the world.